Welcome back. It is March 22nd, 2021. We're in Florence Marina State Park in Georgia. Today we're visiting Providence Canyon. Didn't I have this same shirt in Yellowstone by the drone sign? We had a leisurely breakfast, packed our lunches. We're making our way down to the connector trail for canyons 1, 2, and 3. It's 11:30, then we'll be back for lunch. So far, so good. Are we ready for a pro tip? Don't wear your sandals when coming to Providence Canyon. Wear some good boots. Or I guess you could go barefoot and get your feet wet. So bring a towel. Way back after canyons 1, 2, and 3. Out of all three of them, canyon 2 was our favorite. So maybe save that one for last when you do complex 1 through 3. It is now about 20 minutes after 1. Lunch is over. We're gonna do the perimeter walk up on top. So definitely different views than being down in the bottom of the canyon. Behind us is canyons 4 and 5. These are really good. You can get up nice and close. Worth it. Definitely make sure you get 4 and 5. It's just before 3 o'clock, 6 miles, 13,000 steps, several hours here at Providence Canyon. A great destination if you're ever in Southwest Georgia. Now we have to get gas and go back to the campsite. It's about 5 o'clock now. Dan's been doing some coding on his laptop. Pam's been doing some crochet. I'm going fishing. Okay, second cast in, and I done fished. Cool. Dinner was a success. How can you be a judge of that? Dan is having round 2. How is that spaghetti, Dan? Yes. It is now 7:30. Hope you enjoyed the video of Providence Canyon. Dinner was a success. Let's catch some of that sunset. Did you pull up your pants on purpose?
Yeah.